Welcome today here in our one of our projects in the GTA Toronto. If you're looking for, dry pack, water system, heated floors, give us a call at 416-937-8115 and we'll gladly come over and give you a price for tile installations up to 35 years. This is what we do, and this is what our professional skill is all about. Okay, so I'm going to do some procedures here before and after on us spreading the dry pack and making this floor all level. What we have here is the bedroom is your wood subfloor, so we're going to basically go at that same height, so like that when the hardwood and the tile go, it'll all be one level. So we're going to put the mesh over here and put some thin set down in between the water pipes and all that onto the plywood. Okay, so we make it nice and sticky. So when we do put the dry pack down, everything will bond and everything will be ready for tile installations. Okay, so again, you're looking for any dry pack, leveling floors, not liquid, because liquid's only a 1/4 inch or 3/8 and everything's gonna crack. But see, as you can see here, we're gonna have about 2.5 inches thick floor here. So we do kitchen, bath, basements, commercial. We get all our floors nice and leveled and ready for dry pack and leveling tile. Big or small tiles, that's it. When the floors are straight, the tiles are gonna look like a nice sheet of glass floor. And that's it. So we'll be tackling all the showers in this custom home here downtown. You're looking at probably about a $3 million home. And that's it. Big or small, this is what we do. Check out our website at prestigetileinstallers.ca. And the phone number is 416-937-8115. Take care. See you on our next video.